Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shokwe. Today we are going to be making marble Swiss roll. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video as well. Thank you. In your chair in this story. So first we have our batter here. Vanilla batter, chocolate batter and red velvet batter. I have my baking tray. I've lined it with my baking paper, and I have 3 piping bags just to make it easier for me to put it on the tray, and I have a cup to help me hold my piping bags and the scissors as well. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to be putting my piping bag in my cup just to hold it still and create space in it with my spatula. Then I'm just going to go in with my cake batter. I'm starting with the red velvet batter as well. Can you see how lush that batter looks? That's to tell you that it's going to come out nice. So yeah, so just pour in all your batter in the piping bag. Then I'm going to seal it properly with a rubber band so that it doesn't pour while I'm piping on my tray. And I'm just going to repeat the entire process for the same process for the rest of the batter. Don't forget to share this video, please, and kindly subscribe if you are new here.
You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
So I'm just gonna cut that now and start putting this on my baking tray. I'm using a very flat tray, and that's because I need the cake baked in very flat. So you could do your marble whichever way you like, but this is the method I want, and I'm just going to be doing it this way.
So tell me what you're thinking of.
Add it on your tray, and that's it. So here, this is the final outcome of it. I'm just going to, I forgot to tell you, always make sure that when you line your tray, you leave excess of baking paper on the sides, so that when you want to lift it up after baking, when it comes out of the oven, it's easier to lift and you are not having to flip over and all of that, so that you don't end up breaking your cake. And also I'm going to put this in the oven. I baked it for 40 minutes. You could bake your own for whichever minutes you have, depending on type of oven that you're working with, but my oven baked this for 40 minutes. So, and I baked it on low heat as well, just the way you bake your normal cake. So we're going to be making the whipping cream for this Swiss roll. I'm using whipping cream, icing sugar and vanilla. So I used 500 grams of whipping cream, 200 grams of icing sugar and vanilla flavor. So you are going to whip your cream first. I whipped it on high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need it to be stiff, just let it have just little bubbles. Then this is what it looks like after 2 minutes. Then I'm just going to add in my icing sugar and a little bit of vanilla flavor. You whip that up on low speed so that it doesn't spill over this the entire place. Then after everything has incorporated, then you put it on high speed for about 3 minutes or till you achieve stiff peak, depending on your mixer. This is what. So can you see how stiff that looks very stiff. If you're in the UK, you can use whipping cream from Asda. I know we don't really get whipping cream here, but I got this from Asda and it's just giving me the best result that I need. So this is what our Swiss roll looks like when it's ready. Can you see how beautiful that looks? I just dipped the toothpick in to make sure that it is super ready. So you need to flip this as soon as it comes out of the oven. Don't wait till your cake cools, because if it cools it's going to break. So you flip that as it's hot, and then once you are done flipping it together, then you put this in your fridge or your freezer to cool. So this is what I'm going to be using to finish it up. I have my fresh fruits and my caramel sauce. So I just brought this out of the fridge, it's cool, and I'm just putting my fresh cream and my caramel sauce in between, just to, you know, give it that extra feel and yumminess. So you flip it, you turn it the same way you did before when it came out of the oven. Then you top it up with whatever fruits you want, or decoration or whatnot. I didn't do too much decoration with this because it's just for eating anyway. So top it up with your fruits and all. Pounding in your chair in this story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please share this video, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do.